Hey you guys, welcome to Root to Rise Studio. Today, Felicia, Allen, and I will be working through a sequence called Positions, and it's a AcroYoga washing machine. Has a couple of really fun transitions that I never seen before or seem really unique. One is a bird on hands that transitions from there to a reverse hand-to-hand L-sit, and the other is a no hands reverse star where the flyer's hands are in a really unique position and then they flip grip over the top. So you'll have to check it out and let us know what you think. Nice. Start to arch. Really good. Thanks for checking out our video. Come visit us at Root to Rise Studio. We love all things yoga, aerial, and acrobatics, and we definitely are washing machine junkies.